Whew. My wife made some Jollof rice and fish. This is perch. This is not the fish that she wanted, but she got the damn bay leaves still in here. Yeah, that's going on. I'll take all the leaves. Move them to the side. All right. Let me see. Let me smell good. I told her give me a little bit. It smells real good. I like turning it up all the way. Yes, it is. All right, let's see what we got going on. Oh shit. It's good. Hold on. I'm getting a little kick. All right. I need a little fluff to the rice. So I think she kind of boil it too long. It's good though. Really good. Boy. She could cook, y'all. She said she African now. It's crispy on the outside. It got a crunch. It's good. She did a good job with this. Yes, she did. Yes. I like this. I need a salad on the side, though. You know we got a lot of salad out there. I told her to bring me a little bit. She got some more. Yes. Oh, I gotta go congratulate her. It's hot. I am surprised. I never had African food. Never had no jollof rice. Y'all see, every time I bite into this, rocking my head back and forth. She got me a spoon. Who like eating with a spoon better than a fork? I love eating with a spoon, man. You gotta shovel your food. Oh, man. Come on. Yeah, this tastes good. I like it. Let me tell you it's good.
How was
that stuff tastes good.
Kiara!
It tastes good as hell.
Is it good, for real?
Yeah.
I use basmati, but I think I'm gonna try jasmine rice next time. Let me try it.
I say the rice was just overcooked a little. It needed a little more flour.
That's what I told Kiara.
But yeah, it's good. The fish is good. Everything good. Yeah.
I'm making it again later on. I gotta go back.
Make it again.
Yeah, so I can make the rice better. The fluff to get it undercooked.
What do you mean? This is a big old pot of rice.
I want to do it again.
Heck no.
I want it to be perfect.
But that's a good try. That's your first time.
Oh, this is so good.
Do it Sunday.
All right. Ooh.
Oh, it's still steamed.
Yeah, but that's what they said. You want to let it steam a little bit. But I think, but that rice, I may need to use a thicker rice because basmati is kind of thin. Jasmine rice is a little fluffier. And they say the J in Jollof is for jasmine rice. But all the Guyana people, they was using basmati.
See, you're saying the wrong thing.
Yeah, Ghana is, they have, you have Ghana jasmine rice.
Properly. What is it?
Ghana.
All right. She said Guyana. Okay.
The Guyananian people, how say it, Guyananian? Say people. Okay, I was looking at Jamaicans and Ghanaian jollof rice, and some of them use basmati, and then some of them use jasmine. So I went with basmati, but I think jasmine is a fluffier rice. So maybe that's why some of them use jasmine. So I'm gonna buy jasmine rice later on.